Cardboard bus. Hi, color crew. Come on out. Let's play. Cardboard bus. Paints. Now it's your turn. Cardboard box. Cardboard box. Perfect. Now let's draw the bus outlines. Now we'll paint with beautiful colors. Would you like to paint some yourselves? Amazing! Okay, the painting is done. That looks so nice. Great. Now let's try to move the bus. For the wheel, we will use the lid of a jar. Come on out, Green. Jar. The lid of the jar will be the wheel of the bus. 4 red wheels. Wheels. Perfect. For the bus station, we will need straws. Oh. Yogurt bottle. Well, I can try. The sign doesn't quite sit right. No, this is not a straw. This is a yogurt bottle. We need you, Mr. Eraser.
No.
It's okay. Try again. Straws. Straws. Well done. This straw will be the pole of the bus station. Bus station. Perfect. Cardboard bus. Climb in, color crew. You can go for a ride. Vehicles. Hi, color crew. Come on out. Vehicles. City. Taxi. Look out, Pink. Now it's your turn. Truck. Come on, Gray. Come on down. Perfect. Truck. Good job. Watch out. Coming through. Tractor. Tractor. That looks perfect. Peekaboo. Ambulance. Lion? Are you sure? Well, I could put it here. This is not an ambulance. This is a lion. Mr. Eraser, we need your help.
No.
It's okay. Give it another try. Ambulance. That's right. Ambulance. Very good. Hello, Green. Perfect. I'll just arrange it a little, like this. And here we go. Vehicles. Hello, drivers. Train. Train. Train car. Now it's your turn. Train car. Train car. What's next? Tracks. Tracks. Engine. Pepper? Pepper? I don't think so. No, this is not an engine. This is a pepper.
No.
It's okay. Try again. Engine. Engine.
Oh boy. Uh-oh.
Very nice. train. Great job. Train.
Baby First, click the subscribe button below.